What is going on, folks? So what we got here is a 1955 Pontiac that was sent to me from Kevin Smith. Oh, excuse me, I had to turn the air compressor off. This is not a production kit, so you can't just run out and get it off the shelf. This was something that Pontiac did as a promotional thing years ago, and had Kevin build some of these for display. But anyway, I'll show you a few pictures of his. He won trophies with his. But these cars, they didn't come with interior or anything like that. But we're going to do a two-tone. Down below here and back and the hood, you know, it's going to be mint green, and then above this chrome line is going to be white. And then I'll bare metal foil all of this chrome. And I always use MCW paints. This is the mint green. If anybody's interested, the number is 6137. The white is 2001, the number for that. MCW finishes. They're down in Akron, Canton, Ohio, rather. But yeah, we're gonna do 2 or 3 coats of each of those, 4 or 5 coats of the clear. The primer is from MCW as well. It's light gray lacquer primer. The number on it is 1004. Oh yeah, the clear is 1017. That's the number if you order this stuff. If I want to get the paint out of the way so I can move it out of the way, I'll show you the kit. So this kit, like I said, does not come with interior. So you got to do something to hide the inside. And Kevin, he blacked his windows out. So I did the same thing. And I was scared to death on what to use on this. And I did a test piece with an old window left over from a kit. Let me get the window. I sprayed this window as my test piece. It's from a Camaro, and it didn't melt it. It's got a nice shine to it on the outside. So after testing with this, I went ahead and felt comfortable spraying that one. I've got 3 good coats of primer on the body and the chassis, which there's nothing to the chassis even. Then you got a bag of chrome, front and rear bumpers, headlight bezels, wheel axles, rims, tires. Just a simple little kit. But this is to, I entered the Pontiac group build put on by King Bob Works on YouTube. But this is my update, and then the next update you'll probably see it with the mint green and the white on it. And before I clear it, I'm going to bare metal foil everything, and then clear over that. But we're going to do a quick giveaway, so give me a minute. I'm going to set this camera up to where everybody can see the screen. So here is the pictures that Kevin sent to me of his 1955 Pontiac that he built. And these were, again, used for promotional use by Pontiac. Kevin, as you know, is a legend in the modeling community. And so yeah, I'm thankful he sent me this kit. Thank you, Kevin, and thank you, Bob, for putting this group build on. I appreciate it a bunch. But all right, let's go to the giveaway. All right, so this giveaway is for one of my sponsors for my one-to-one part of this channel. And it's called Super Clean. They got really great product for cleaning, and I've used it to strip glue and paint off plastic, and definitely it will remove grease from engines and any place you got a lot of grime. But this video, I put this out 2 months ago, and I forgot that I did the giveaway, that I announced it, and so we're going to do that now. I got to go over here, get the link, click copy, and then I think I'm doing this right. Then we're going to go over here to comment picker, The YouTube random comment picker. I guess you can read that. Click paste. Pick a random YouTube comment. So you can see it put that video in here. Cub Cadet GT3200 hydraulic repairs part 1. So let's do the pick. See who wins. And look at that. Chester Lewis. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can zoom in. That's about as far as I can zoom that. But yeah, Chester Lewis says, "That's cool, Joey. I never tried Super Clean." Well, Chester, you get to do it now. So congratulations. I will get your address from you over on text and send it over to Jessica. And she will get your product out to you, and hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. We will catch y'all later.